بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون. And a sign for them is that we carried their forefathers in a laden ship. وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون. And we created for them from the likes of it that which they ride. وَإِن نَّشَأْ نُغْرِقْهُمْ فَلَا صَرِيخَ لَهُمْ وَلَا هُمْ يُنقَذُونَ. And if we should will, we could drown them, then no one responding to a cry would there before them, nor would they be saved. إِلَّا رَحْمَةً مِنَّا وَمَتَاعًا إِلَى حِينٍ. Except as a mercy from us and provision for a time. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ اتَّقُوا مَا بَيْنَ أَيْدِيكُمْ وَمَا خَلْفَكُمْ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. But when it is said to them, beware of what is before you and what is behind you, perhaps you will receive mercy. وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين. And no sign comes to them from the signs of their Lord except that they are from it turning away. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ أَنفِقُوا مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين. And when it is said to them, spend from that which Allah has provided for you, those who disbelieve say to those who believe, should we feed one whom, if Allah had willed, He would have fed? You are not but in clear error. وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. And they say, when is this promise, if you should be truthful? مَا يَنظُرُونَ إِلَّا صَيْحَةً واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون. They do not await except one blast which will seize them while they are disputing. فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون. And they will not be able to give any instruction, nor to their people can they return. صدق الله العظيم.